Hey, are you an emotional eater? Well, I can tell you it takes one to know one. I have been dealing with this for a very long time personally and finally found something that works. And it doesn't require willpower. You will go from wanting a food to not wanting it just by using this really amazing technique, which combines brain retraining. It combines a little bit of hypnosis, a little bit of emotional freedom tapping, which is tapping on acupressure points to help release emotional blocks. It is an amazing technique, and I'm really looking forward to sharing it in an upcoming workshop. So this workshop is coming up on March 16th from 10 to 1 p.m. We're going to also be including yoga so that you can release all these feelings and emotions that we're going to bring up. We're going to have time to connect, sip on a delicious cup of medicinal tea while we do this. And I have to tell you, emotional eating does not have any restrictions on weight. It does. People might think, it's only people that are overweight. No way. It's about your relationship with yourself and your relationship with food. And I'm about to share a technique which helps you to release these blocks, to rewire your brain and gain control. So we only have 10 in-person spots, and we have an early bird special coming up until February 17th. So if you want to grab your spot, I suggest you do that. If you are not in the Hillsborough, North Carolina area and you would still like to attend, you can send me an email at info@roottariselwellness.org. We are opening a limited number of virtual spots as well. Grab your spot if you are ready to conquer emotional eating and want to learn this amazing technique, which will help you go from wanting a food to not wanting a food. And it is quantifiable because I have everybody rate how bad they want it in the beginning and after doing the technique, and everybody's number goes down. So if you want to learn this special technique and empower yourself to gain control, we look forward to seeing you. This is Melanie, your gut health guru. If you are new here, I empower people with digestive issues to heal themselves naturally using a bunch of holistic and mind-body work tools in my signature Gut Revive program. Hope to see you in this class. Have a great one. Bye-bye.